Okay, so I'm back outside today. Started this project yesterday and it got a little bit wet. A little bit of rain came down. Actually, we got over an inch of rain yesterday afternoon. So I'm gonna pick up where I left off and see just how muddy this is gonna be. Find out real quick when I start to dig this down and level it out. Alright, so if you're still here and watching, you can see it. I kind of did the first wave of trying to level out this area. I just used some paver sand to fill in the low spots as I was digging in and digging out here. So I just took a leftover 2x6 and did the first pass. I'll take the level, see just how far I'm off. Again, we want to have a slope coming down and back, but not too much. And then we want to make sure we're good this way as well. You can see why I'm doing this, because I've had the soil up against the foundation, all the wetness, the area over there in the corner. It just sucks the foundation. And again, this is where I keep my garden hoses. And every time I walk over here, it's just a bed of weeds and just wet and nasty. So you see the material we're going to use. What I did have laying over there, that bag of Quikrete is for the next step in a special project I hope to get into today. But it is 2:10 in the afternoon here, and I'm not even really halfway done yet. So we'll see if that happens. Alright, that is a wrap for day one. See, I was just a little shy. A couple of broken pavers really set me back a little bit. But after looking at that, I think I have enough room. I could do one more row going across, and then it'd almost be flush with the end of my flower bed flower bed wall. I think that'd be a nice line of sight. You step out and look out, it'll just be one straight continuous line that would go straight into the pavers. And then right about here ish on the end is where I'll put my garden hose thingamabob that I'm going to build. But yeah, day one in the books. Time to go mow.